Hello, welcome back to another video. I need to package a TV, so I thought I would put you on my head and show you how I would package a portable TV. Not gonna lie, I got all my tips from George Ross's similar video where he packaged a portable TV, so I'm just going to show you how I do it. I'll put a link to his video down there. I don't want to take all of the credit. Yeah, I mean, mainly it's preparation, bubble wrap, good size box and tape, and filler, so like cardboard or something to stop it from rocking around. I'm going to send it by UPS. It's going GSP, so it's going to Ireland, Republic of Ireland, so I kind of feel better when that happens, because you've only got to get it to the eBay warehouse in Lichfield, and from that point on, any damage, any issues, that's eBay's problem, not mine. So yeah, I'm going to strap it to my head, and I'm going to probably do it out in the corridor because there's a bit more room. So yeah, see you in a bit. So there's the bubble wrap. I've got this box. Now that was £4.50. Now you might say, oh well, you can get boxes for free, which you can do. So you can go and check Sainsbury's or a local store, but you'd struggle to find one that big. And this is kind of a really good size for what I'm trying to do here. Yeah, it is expensive, but it's convenience. You pay for convenience. The TV I need is down here. Comes with the remote. I remember it's got a back on it. It's not the best brand in the world, Sanyo. I don't think. There we are. Oh, there we are. Let's put it out here. Bubble on it. Tape gun. Been listing mission today. My bread makers I've done. Just need to buy a paddle for that Panasonic one. So Keep going. Keep rolling. Start the other side. Okay, I'm going to get some scissors because that was not pretty. So you need to wrap the plug up, wrap the plug a little bit. Then the box. want to give that a little bit of a cushion, so you get some. I'm going to need some of this. Got the, yeah. Right, so I'll put it heavy side down, so it doesn't, it's not top heavy, it doesn't fall over. Right, so now I've just got to pad out the sides a bit. So let's use cardboard for that. Is required. Use that for the lid, I think. It's pretty secure. And then that one. Top. Space there, put a bit more in. Oh, don't forget the remote control. Flipping heck. Don't worry, not to worry. Could be worse, could have sent it without it. So that was that. I always kind of dread them kind of sales because packing is nowhere near my expertise. But if you got the right equipment, if you're prepared, then it makes the job a lot easier. If you got your tape gun, your box, and the space as well. I think having a good amount of space really helps, because if you're trying to do that in a cramped environment, you struggle. It's not as easy. So yeah, I'm pretty confident that should be there. It should get there okay. Yeah, don't be scared of posting heavy items. You get more money for them, basically. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bit different to the usual, but I do get a couple of requests on how to post different stuff, so I thought, because I had that to send, I might as well do a recording of it. Yeah, thanks for watching. If you liked the content, drop a like, and if you haven't already subscribed, drop a subscribe. Alright, see you later, bye.